Hello Kutties, welcome to class 2 EVS video. This is lesson 11 Sun, Light and Shadow part 3 video. In part 1 and 2 videos we have learnt a lot about sun, light and shadow. Do you all remember Kutties? Sun gives us heat and light, isn't it? Without sun's heat and light, there is no life in the earth. No life means no living things can live without sun. Next, we have learnt about natural source of light and artificial source of light. Natural source of light is sun. Natural source of light means what, Kutties? It means it is available in nature. Nobody can do that. Whether anybody is switching on the sun in the morning and switching off it in the evening? No. It is rising and setting by nature, isn't it? நம்மளால் எதுவுமே பண்ண முடியாது. சன் அதுவாகவே ரைஸ் ஆகும், அதுவாகவே செட் ஆகும். யாரும் சுவிட்ச் போட்டு ஆன் பண்ண முடியாது, ஆஃப் பண்ண முடியாது. It is God's gift to us, isn't it? So, sun is available in nature. It is called natural source of light. Next is artificial source of light. Artificial source means human beings made this. Because in the absence of sun means sun இல்லாத டைமில் நமக்கு ரொம்ப இருட்டாக இருக்கும். So human beings thought and invented means கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. சன் இல்லாதப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறது, இருட்டாக இருக்குமேனு யோசித்து ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் சோர்ஸ் ஆஃப் லைட்டை கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் சோர்ஸ் ஆஃப் லைட் இஸ் பல்ப், tube light, torch, candle, diya. Next we have learnt how day and night are formed. Then we have learnt about shadow through an experiment. Do you all remember, Kutties? Okay. In this video we are going to do book exercise and write classwork for this lesson. So Kutties, get ready with your EVS book and EVS classwork. First, take your EVS book. Have you all taken your EVS book, Kutties? Take page number 86, Kutties. Page number 86. Have you all taken? Now see this take-off exercise. Solve the riddle. Riddle means, in Tamil we'll say as vidugade, isn't it? Like that. I give light, but I am not a candle. I am hot, but not a fire. Who am I? I am the dash. What will be the answer, Kutties? It gives light for us during daytime. They have given the first letter, yes, isn't it? Remaining 2 letters only. What will be that remaining 2 letters? Yes, U, N, sun. Very good. The answer is sun. Write in the dash now. Next, take page number 88. Exercise A. Choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. They have given 2 options, Kutties. You have to select one and write in the blank. See the first one. The sun is a ball of dash. Water or fire? Which will be the correct answer, Kutties? The sun is the big ball of? Yes, fire. Whether water will give us light? No. So fire is the correct answer. Write fire there. Then see the second one. The heat of the dash changes water into water vapor. Already we have studied this in the water lesson also, isn't it? So, the heat of the sun or moon, which will change water into water vapor, kuttis? During daytime, the sun's heat will absorb the water. That is, water will change into water vapor, isn't it? So, the answer is sun. The heat of the sun changes water into water vapor. Write it, kuttis. Then, third question, the dash helps flowers to bloom. Sun or earth? Earth is a planet. We all are living in the earth, isn't it? So earth won't help the flowers to bloom. Of course it will. It helps it to grow. It helps plant to grow. But sun's heat helps the flowers to bloom. Okay, kuttis? So for third one, the answer is sun. The sun helps flowers to bloom. Then see the fourth one, kuttis. At night, shadows are formed by the dash. Sunlight or moonlight. Very easy, isn't it? At night they told. Whether sunlight will be in night? No, we can see moon during night time, isn't it? So the answer is moonlight. At night, shadows are formed by the moonlight. Next, fifth question. The dash moves when we move. Sun or shadow? Whether sun will move along with us? No. Shadow, isn't it? Wherever we go, if there is light, we can see our shadow, isn't it? So, for fifth one, answer is shadow. The shadow moves when we move. Now, take the next page, page number 89. Page number 89, next page. See higher order thinking skills, that is HOTS. One night, Reena went out in her garden and saw her shadow. But when she went again after a few days, she did not see her shadow. What could be the reason? See, kuttis, one day Reena is going to his garden, that is night time. So she can see her shadow, okay, because due to the moonlight, she can see her shadow. Moonlight vandalum shadow vilum, seriya? So on that day she can see her shadow due to the moonlight. After some days, again she is going during the night time. But at that time, she cannot see the shadow. Why, kuttis? ஒரு நாள் போகிறப்போ அவளோட ஷேடோ தெரியுது மூன்லைட்டில். கொஞ்ச நாள் கழித்து திரும்பி போகிறப்போ அவள் ஷேடோ தெரியல. ஏன் தெரியல? சேம் நைட் டைம் only she is going out. Why she can't see her shadow? First time when Reena is going out, there was moon. So she can see her shadow in the moonlight. But second time while she was going out, it may be new moon day. New moon day means moon irukadhu annikku. In Tamil we will say as Amavasai. So new moon day means there will be no moon. If there is no moon, moonlight also is not there, isn't it? If there is no moonlight, she can't see the shadow, isn't it? Let me explain in Tamil. First time ரீனா வெளியே போகிறப்ப மூன் இருந்திருக்கும், அதனால் மூன்லைட்டில் அவளோட ஷேடோ தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். கொஞ்ச நாள் கழித்து திருப்பியும் அவள் வெளியில் போகிறப்ப அது நியூ மூன் டேவாக இருந்திருக்கும், அதாவது அமாவாசை. அந்த டேயில் மூன் இருந்திருக்காது. ஸோ அவளோட ஷேடோ தெரிஞ்சிருக்காது. லைட் இல்லைன்னா ஷேடோ விழுமா? விழாது, isn't it? ஸோ அவளோட ஷேடோ தெரியல. திஸ் இஸ் த ஆன்சர். Write this, kuttis. First time Reena could see the shadow due to the moonlight. After few days it may be new moon day. so she could not see her shadow. Have you all finished, cuties? Now see the next exercise, values and life skills. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west every day. Even on a cloudy day, the sun is there, but we cannot see it because of the clouds. What lesson does the sun teach us? Tick your answer. Cuties, every day sun rises in the east and sets in the west, isn't it? There is no leave for sun at all. It works every day, all the day. So we also have to work like sun, isn't it? I will read two sentences. You have to say which is the correct sentence, which one we have to follow. Okay. See the first sentence. We must be regular to school. We have to go to school regularly. Okay. Then see the second question. We can miss school whenever we want to. That is, whenever you want to take leave, you can take leave. Is that correct? Which is the correct sentence, cuties? Yes, first sentence is correct. We must be regular to school. Tick it. Next, we are going to write classwork. So, take your EVS classwork note. EVS C.W note. All of you take, cuties. You have to write very neatly. See, write today's date and in the first line you write lesson 11. Title is Sun, Light and Shadow. Roman letter 1, terminology. First one is shining. Shining. Second one, bright. Bright. See the third one, heat. What it is? Heat. Fourth one, bloom. Fourth one is bloom. Bloom means மலர்றது. Flower மலரும்ல அது. Fifth one is ripen. Fifth one is ripen. Sixth one, cloths. Sixth one is cloths. Seventh one, because. Because. Eighth one is black patch. Black patch. Ninth one, around. Ninth one is around. 10th one, morning. Morning. 11th one, evening. Evening. 12th one is shortest. Shortest. 13th one, opposite. Opposite. 14th one is front. Front. 15th one is shadow. Shadow. Write neatly, cuties. After writing terminology, leave one line and write name the following. If you have only 2 or 3 lines, take new page and write Roman letter 2, name the following. See the first question. Name some artificial sources of light. Artificial sources means what, cuties? Yes, lights made by human beings. Okay. First one, bulb. Tube light. Torch. Candle. Bulb, tube light, torch, candle. Before writing second name the following, I have to explain you one thing. say sun rises in the east and sets in the west, isn't it? But sun won't move anywhere. It will be in the fixed place, same place. Sun எங்கேயும் மூவ் ஆகாது, ஒரே இடத்துல தான் இருக்கும். See this picture? Can you see this arrow mark? This is sun. Sun is in one place only, isn't it? It won't move anywhere. 8 planets only go around the sun. Can you see this picture? Small balls are going round the sun, isn't it? These small balls are planets. இதில் பார்க்குறதுக்கு குட்டி குட்டியாக உனக்கு தெரியுதா? But actually these planets are very big. Earth is also a planet, isn't it, kutties? We all are living in the earth. Like earth, some other planets also revolve around the sun. Let me explain in Tamil, kutties. நம்ம எல்லாரும் எர்த்தில் தான் வாழ்கிறோம், isn't it? எர்த்து என்ன பண்ணுது? சன்னை சுற்றி வருது, மெல்ல சுற்றி வரும். எர்த்து மாதிரியே இன்னும் 7 பிளானட்ஸும் சன்னை மெல்ல சுற்றி வரும். சரியா? Can you see this arrow mark? This is our earth. We all are living in this planet only. Okay? Are you all eager to learn the names of other planets also? Totally, there are 8 planets that goes around the sun. Okay? Now we are going to write that only. See the second name the following. Second one. Before that, leave one line and write second one, kutties. Name 8 planets. First one, Mercury. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These all are the 8 planets, kutties. Write very neatly. Then leave one line and write Roman letter 3 question answer. First one is, what does the sun give us? Answer is, the sun gives us heat and light. Then second question, leave one line and write second question, kutties. How is a shadow formed? A shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of light. Write very neatly, kutties. Then leave one line, or if you don't have space, take new page and write question number 3. How are day and night cast? Already I told you, isn't it? How day and night are cast? Rotation of the earth causes day and night. Rotation means அதுவாகவே அதை சுற்றிக்கும். நீ பால் எடுத்து கையில் வச்சு இப்படி சுற்றிப்பாரு, that is called rotation. Okay, kutties? So write very neatly, take clear photo and send mail to edustar.2@gmail.com. Take care, kutties. Bye bye. See you.